Hey YouTube, it's me, Connor, again, playing Roblox. I know my other account got banned. This is my new account, and thank you for all of those views. My other account. I will be making videos in Canada when I go on Thursday, and also I will be vlogging again. So, on my tablet, don't judge me. My phone just doesn't work that much, so I use my tablet. I don't have a webcam yet on the computer, so I can't show you my face, sorry. I'll show you my face soon, if I get a webcam. Whee! This car can go all the way to the clouds! Oh my goodness! Oh no! It's wasted, not wipe out. Okay. I'm just gonna roast these kids with my car. Watch. Where are they? Quarter mile. Quarter mile. No, it's the other quarter mile. What? Not even another. That's weird. I hope I will be doing an eating challenge. Really, dude? Speeding pool. What? Are you hot? No. What is speeding pool over? Bruh. This kid's trying to get me. Oh, you wanna do a police chase? Nope. I don't know what he's saying. But I'ma run. Bye! Bye! Sir, get out of the car. Bro, you think you could speed like me? You're just drifting. Sir, get out of the car. He thought. Oh, now he's getting out of his fast car. And he just crashed. Yeah. Oh! Where did he go? Into the sky? What did you just call me? YouTube, I am very sorry if you hear any swear words. I just hope that he doesn't swear. He's mad at that GTR just because he crashed. Roblox will tag our swear words, all swear words. So, where is he? Man. Oh no. Where is he? I'm driving so fast backwards. This is like the fastest car that could go backwards. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Speeding backwards. What would be... I would love to do a police chase backwards. Comment down below if you would love to do that. I think it would be very cool. Oh my goodness, you think you have the same fast car as me. What are you doing? See what happens when you annoy me. Oh, that didn't do anything. Why are you driving backwards? You can't drive backwards faster. Oh, you're not the police anymore. You want to race me? Race me backwards. Three, 2, 1, go. Wait, what? Ha! 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 Speed backwards. Cheats! Cheats! Oh! And I won. Cheaters always lose, so I still would have won. Okay, why am I playing on this copyright music? Why? Oh my goodness. No. No. This is regular street speed. Could probably be going 40. don't know what these people are doing. What do you want? Leave me alone. I don't know you. Leave me alone. Help. No, I don't have a Hummer. Thank you for your car. Who is this person? Okay, guys, let's play Jailbreak. Actually, we could play Slither.io. Enough Roblox. Slither.io is the best. It sucks. Well, I think it's a good game, and we should play it. Right? Okay. YouTuber. Oh my goodness, this is laggy already. He's trying to trap me. Dead. Thank you for your food. I really needed it. Wow, that was so little. I just stole my food. Oh my gosh, think you're so good. I'm getting mods so this has less lag. Oh yeah, I can't show you guys. You guys would be like, oh, that's how you get mods. Hey, oh no, nothing. Yes, nothing. Slither X is like Slither.io. And this is how you don't get mods. Yes, this is how you get mods. Just don't take it seriously, man. Still laggy. Hey, some food. I know you're not trying. Kid tried. At least you tried. You just died. Hey, little worm. Prepare to die. Well, this will wrap up the video. I'll see you next time. B-Y-E. Let me get one more snake.